Dude, what is that? The thing wasn't playing. Look what we got. Got Alex out here today. He's doing a couple things on his car. We are finally back from our Las Vegas trip. We are working on the cars outside today because we do have our brand new to the channel car here in the garage that I haven't shown you guys yet, but you'll see in the next couple videos. So for today, we'll just be out here and working on the new taillights for our 22 BRZ, as you guys saw in the title. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox those, see what those look like, and change out those taillights. But I already knocked out a quick little oil change. Alex is getting his car kind of prepped for Slammed Enough this Saturday. Got a lot of exciting things going on around here. So let's take a look at these taillights. Let's see what these look like. Come watch this. All right. We got our Suma Performance package here. We got some nice taillights. We also have the third brake light from Suma Performance that we'll be throwing on in another video. But for today, we're just gonna focus on these taillights. Packaging is actually very nice. I like how they have their logo on the top and the side here, and then they have your variation of which taillight you got, which is pretty neat. I decided to go with the smoked lens, black base, clear position, amber turning, red brake. So I know they have like, I think they have like 5 to 6 different options on their website, so be sure to go over there and check out what they got. Damn. Yeah, these are packaged very nicely. Comes with some Suma stickers. Oh, and a Suma air freshener. That's new. I haven't gotten that before. But right here is the tail light. Ooh, I can already tell these look good. Damn. Okay. Man, it comes with the protection film too. They got a little bit of foam on the ends here. Wow, I like that these are actually packaged very nicely. Wow, these are really smoked lens. Yours is smoked lens too, right? Yeah. I'm just copying copying Alex in every way that I can. Wow, this is sick.
Those are sick. I like those.
The install on these taillights are supposedly like way easier than a first gen. And a first gen I've heard is really easy. So
yeah, it's like 3 volts.
Yeah, this is the same 3 volts and 1 connector. So let's go ahead and throw these on the car. Alright, the way you take these taillights out, it's just 1 screw on top, and then under this plastic piece there's just 2 screws. It's either a Phillips head or a 10mm. We're just gonna pry this piece off really quick. Just, I don't even need the tool, I guess. Just pry it off, just like that. Cool. Very easy, it's just little pop clips. We should just have 3 10mm that come right out, just like this. Now you're just gonna want to kind of pry the taillight out that way. I would not have liked to pull it that aggressively, but it came out that aggressively. And then you got 1 plug. Alright. It's just 1 plug. That's it. This needs to go back. Where does it go? Oh, we gotta make sure this slides into the top. Look, there it is. I guess that's it. And then you just screw them back in. Damn, that's dark. Sheesh.
Very smooth. And this one's not on.
Is it working? Both sides?
Yep. Ooh, money shot right there.
Yeah?
Oof. Dude.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Alright, let's put these back in.
Damn. I like those, dude. Those are nice.
Yeah, those are nice. We got sequentials. These tails really match like the body lines of this body kit. Even the wing, it like swoops with it. Much more of a flow to it. Damn. I was nervous that the smoke lens was gonna be too dark on a dark color, but it just made it like more menacing. 100%. Man, that's crazy. That looks good. It is now nighttime, so I can get some better lighting with the taillights. It's actually a couple days later from the install. I wanted to proof test these taillights, make sure that everything was running fine. Also, I wanted to make sure that they didn't have a condensation issue that a lot of aftermarket taillights that I've had have dealt with. I'm really happy with how these turned out. They have had no condensation. It literally rained yesterday, and they still function very nicely, very brightly, and they look really freaking good. I really think that they follow the body lines of the car a lot more, and they just give it a much better aftermarket look than the OEM taillights. The OEM had a lot of red going on, especially when the lights weren't on, but these ones, they definitely make it flow better, especially with the smoked lens. It blends in with my dark color. Like I said, I was a little bit nervous how the color would look with the smoked taillights, but I think it all flowed very nicely, and I really like how the wing has this curve. These have the curves, the hip are curved. There's no like sharp edges other than the arrow, so I think it really flows nicely with the body, and I like how the turn signals are sequential. Let me go ahead and turn these off for you guys, and here's the taillights when they're off, which I really like how they have the white bar option here so that it can have more of a contrast in color. I really like my two-tone looks with the dark green and the white, and then it has a nice smoke lens that covers this kind of dark red and amber color, which looks really good pop and contrast, and it goes with the car. It actually like worked really well. I was a little nervous, so I am excited to install the third brake light, see how that looks with the car, but I'm pretty happy with this mod. All right, well, we are home from SEMA now, and it is all over. I figured what better way to show that we are home than doing another install video, which I know a lot of you guys enjoy, but we are home. A lot of things to do. Just because SEMA is over, that doesn't mean that we have no content. We have a whole nother car that you guys will see in the next video. There's a car that we are making a video on that you guys haven't seen in a while, that's in the next video. So a lot of good stuff coming up, and this car definitely has a lot more stuff to do, like the third brake light, and early next year we have some big plans, so I think that'll be pretty neat. But yeah, we are home. Gotta focus a little bit more on the Risen brand. We have some plans coming up for that should be interesting, but other than that, I am ready to keep going, enjoy these holidays, and get ready for the new year and just push and keep going. This has been an absolutely amazing first year on YouTube, so I'm just ecstatic with how everything has been going. I've learned a lot, done a lot, got into SEMA, still building my car how I want, and just trying to survive out here. I will keep pushing to give you guys more content over time, but as for now, this is all for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to never stop dreaming.